Hello fellow gardeners, Joe Lample here. I want to share a secret from my own garden that's truly changed the game for me. Like many of you, I've always searched for natural, effective ways to help my plants thrive. I tried every organic fertilizer and amendment, but something was missing. My breakthrough came from a bowl of overripe peaches on my kitchen counter. Instead of tossing them in the compost, I remembered ancient Korean farming practices, using fermentation to create powerful plant inputs. I mixed those peaches with brown sugar and let nature take over. Watching the mixture bubble and fizz, I realized I was partnering with nature, not just following a recipe. The results were remarkable. Plants stood taller, leaves deepened in color, and harvests improved. This wasn't just luck. I'd discovered a living supplement that supercharged my soil. It's simple, low cost, and incredibly effective. More than a hack, it's a philosophy. Working with nature to unlock your garden's full potential. If you want robust, healthy plants without harsh chemicals, this is for you. It's about observation, intuition, and closing the loop between kitchen and garden. Turning waste into a super tonic felt like true sustainability. I knew I had to share this with fellow gardeners. Let's dive into how you can do this in your own garden. The journey starts right at your kitchen counter. So, what is this fermented fruit hack? It's called fermented fruit juice, or FFJ. FFJ is a natural, homemade plant booster rooted in holistic agriculture. Instead of synthetic fertilizers, you use fruit scraps, sugar, and a jar to create a living liquid supplement. FFJ feeds your plants and your soil's ecosystem, not just with nutrients, but with beneficial microbes and enzymes. Think of it as a probiotic for your soil, unlocking nutrients and building long-term health. Unlike quick-fix fertilizers, FFJ nourishes the entire soil food web, supporting bacteria, fungi, and earthworms. The result? Stronger, more resilient, and productive plants. Anyone can make it. No fancy equipment needed. It's a sustainable way to reduce kitchen waste and create a premium plant booster for free. FFJ is simple, effective, and puts the power of healthy gardening in your hands. It's a win for your plants, your soil, and the planet. Let's see how it works. Let's break down the science behind FFJ. When you mix fruit and sugar, the sugar draws out the fruit's juices, packed with nutrients and wild microbes. Fermentation begins. Yeasts and bacteria feast on the sugars, creating bubbles and fizz. This process produces organic acids and enzymes that help plants absorb nutrients more easily. The organic acids act as chelators, making minerals in your soil available to plant roots. Enzymes break down organic matter, releasing nutrients and improving soil structure. The beneficial microbes outcompete harmful ones, reducing disease risk. Applying FFJ adds life to your soil, not just nutrients. It boosts plant vigor, resilience, and natural immunity. Healthier plants can better handle drought, pests, and disease. It's nature's way of feeding your garden from the ground up. Ready to make your own FFJ? Here's how. Gather ripe or overripe fruit, brown sugar or molasses, a glass jar, and a breathable cloth. Chop the fruit and mix it with an equal weight of sugar. Coat every piece, then pack the mixture into your jar, filling it about 2/3 full. Cover with cheesecloth or a towel, never a tight lid, to let gases escape. Label the jar and set it in a cool, dark place. Let it ferment for 7 to 10 days. You'll see liquid pooling and smell a sweet, tangy aroma. When the fruit floats and the liquid smells slightly alcoholic, it's ready. Strain out the liquid. This is your FFJ. The leftover fruit solids, add them to your compost for an extra microbial boost. No special equipment, no fuss. Just a simple natural process that turns kitchen scraps into garden gold. Anyone can do this, and the results are worth it. Now let's talk about how to use your FFJ for maximum benefit. Your garden is about to thank you. You've made your FFJ, now let's use it. FFJ is a concentrate, so always dilute before applying. Mix 1-2 teaspoons of FFJ per gallon of water. Apply as a soil drench at the base of your plants every 1 to 2 weeks during the growing season. For a quick boost, use as a foliar spray. Just mist the leaves in the early morning or evening. FFJ is especially great for heavy feeders like tomatoes, peppers, and squash. Don't overdo it. Start with a weaker dilution and observe your plants. Too much can cause imbalances, so less is more. Store your FFJ in a cool, dark place. It keeps for at least a year. The leftover solids can go straight into your compost or garden beds. This simple liquid is a powerful, versatile tool for any gardener. Use it wisely, and watch your plants thrive. Let's wrap up with a few personal tips. After years of making FFJ, here's what I've learned. Experiment with different fruits, bananas for potassium, berries for complexity, even citrus peels in moderation. Keep a journal to track which blends your plants love. Always use a breathable cover, never a tight lid, to avoid messy explosions. FFJ shines during flowering and fruiting. Start applying when buds appear for bigger harvests. The leftover fruit solids are compost gold. Add them to your pile or bury them in garden beds. This process ensures nothing goes to waste. FFJ is about creativity, observation, and closing the loop in your garden. Try it, tweak it, and make it your own. Your plants and your soil will thank you. I hope you're inspired to try FFJ in your own garden. This isn't just a recipe, it's a new way to connect with your soil and your food. At Soil Stories, we're a community of passionate, sustainable gardeners. Share your FFJ experiments, questions, and results with us. Subscribe to our newsletter for more tips and stories. Let's learn and grow together, making our gardens and our world greener. Give FFJ a try, have fun, and share your journey. Post your photos, tag Soil Stories, and inspire others. Together, we'll cultivate not just plants, but a thriving community. Happy growing.